Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I was in between jobs today. I thought, hey, why not do a shop walk around? I'm in our engine room right now. It's our engine clean room where we build engines. And I was walking through the shop. There's such a huge variety of vehicles out there. Sit back, open a cold one, and let's go look at them. But I think there's like a 39 Ford. There's some random vehicles, coyotes, 3 valves, all pretty much Fords in here today. But look at this. This is something you don't see in here all the time. That's a 331 stroker. An old 5.0 as it started. It's a 331 stroker right now. Some trick flow heads. Did some old school tricks of this. This has a 94 Mustang Cougar manifold on it. So we ported the lower manifold as well as ported the upper. In a minute you're going to see what this is going to go in. And it's like something like you're going to be like, what? That's going in that? It's going to be cool. But let's go walk around the shop and check things out. So out here today, we have a lot of random vehicles. Like I said, we'll go in the dyno cell first, but everything from old Fords to new Fords. Let's go in here and see what we have. So you might remember the video on this car a while back. All right, that's our stage 3 Paxton package right there. S550. We just installed a set of Cook's headers. So we have it back on the dyno. We're gonna see what that makes a little bit later today as soon as I'm done with this. And that'll be a killer car. I think it was like over 700 real horsepower before. You need to subscribe and watch these videos because a lot of these cars you're gonna see right now are in the videos, and then you're gonna see some right now the videos aren't actually out yet. What else we got going on out here? You just saw this 3-valve Mustang, I think last week, automatic, cranking down 724 to the tires with their B326. That's a killer car right there, wrapping a few things up, and this car is gonna be heading home. And we're just gonna do a little lap around the shop right here, see what all's going on in here, and hopefully you can, a lot of these cars are up on lifts, so you're gonna be able to see some of them, some you're not. But right here, we have a 2010 Roush Mustang. Now, that car has our B326, and it's got something super secret and special coming up. We installed, and we're almost done with it, a Brenspeed 4-liter supercharger for that 3-valve right there. It is gonna make absolutely stupid power. That's gonna be awesome. We did a return style fuel system, and it's just gonna be a really cool custom car, 2010 right there. Look at this, 1939 Ford. Look at that. I'm not gonna believe what's under the hood on this. We did a fast EFI fuel system on this. Just almost have this wrapped up. Look at that, mod motor, supercharged, chrome, everything on this car. When you have this car up on the lift, it's just absolutely amazing. Not a speck of dirt anywhere on that car, and underneath every single bolt's polished. Behind me right here, Project Fancy Pants. You might watch those videos. Again, subscribe to this because right now that has ID 1300 injectors as well as E85, and when I get finished, I'm gonna have a video on that to show you kind of power making. I think where we left off in that car before is about 700 of the tires on 93. Now we have E85, big injectors, and then we're gonna go with a big fuel system as well in the future. But that's Project Fancy Pants right there. 2015 Mustang manual transmission. Setting that car up, trying to get in some half-mile races this year with that. I think that'd be really, really cool. Ooh, look, Coyote Swap Mustang. Filmed a video on that today. That'll be coming out really shortly. And you need to watch the behind the scenes on that car because you have a lot more info besides the normal episodes. But it's running. It's running. It's awesome. It sounds really good. We're doing suspension on that car today, and you're going to hear all about that in the next video on that car. Over here, we have a 3-valve Mustang. Check it out. That car here is here from Maine, I believe. B326, Paxton 2200. Big boost. We're gonna make big power on that car. It's gonna be awesome. Another 3-valve right behind me right here. 427R Roush car. We did a video on this the other day. It was like 711 real horsepower if you watched that video. We did install a meth injection kit. Do you ever wonder like where you mount the tank on this? I like the trunk mounted tanks. They're pretty big. And you can kind of see it right here. Let's get down here and take a look on the Snow Performance tank. We do have some stuff in this trunk for when this car goes home. It's going back to our client. But that's what the tank looks like. Holds a lot. What else we have in here? I don't have the hood up on this car. We just are getting this wrapped up right here. S550 Mustang with the Roush Ford Performance Supercharger. That just got installed on that. Probably do a video on that next week. And above it, above this, right here, this is an old Cougar. And this actually car looks like a barn find. It came in really, really dusty when it was shipped here. I think it's been in storage for over 10 years. And that's the car getting that 331 stroker engine. And it's gonna be really cool. We're also doing a big Procharger on that. And this car's been in storage, and he decided all of a sudden, hey, I've been wanting to get this done, I'm gonna do it. So we had a killer build engine, exhaust. I think it's an air motive fuel system we put in that, and it is gonna be sick. But what's funny is when I was looking at this car, check out these old tires on this thing. Mickey Thompson SS Indy profiles. Man, these things almost look like a dirt track tire or something. Look at that tread. I just think those things have been on that car. It's been in storage for so long. I think those were the tires maybe he had on that when he parked it. But they're really, really old school. We're gonna get some new wheels on this, I'm sure, as well as some new up-to-date technology tires that will put the traction to ground with the Procharger and the 331 stroker. So that was really neat. Back behind me right here, Garrett's working on this Fox body. I love this car. Check this thing out. So this was shipped to us. I love the wing on the back. It's so racy. This was shipped in. It was already coyote swapped. So we installed a new 6R transmission in this car. And right now he's doing a set of billet oil pump gears. We did some Cook's headers. Did we do a fuel system on this?
Indeed.
We did a new fuel system on it. And this car is coming together right now. And then I'll tune it, and it's gonna be awesome. The car is gonna be light. It's probably gonna be stupid fast. So now we got the oil pump gears in there, get everything working. We're gonna turn the boost up on it and see what happens, and it's gonna be sick at the track. It's already raced out, man. It's got the wheels and tires on it. It's ready to rock. Over here, you guys know what that car is. High Mile Cody Mustang. I know you guys been wanting these videos coming out. I'm working on it. We have had progress with that car. The new Supercharger, which we mentioned maybe a month ago, is on its way. I'm running 18 manifold on it, and you're gonna see more coming up on just the 18 manifold, as well as I have been driving that around with E85. So that's on the car. You're gonna learn all about that before we dip into the bigger Supercharger. We actually have one other little thing before the blower goes on we're gonna do. You're gonna be excited about it. I'm not even gonna give you a hint what it is, but there's something in the engine gonna happen to that on the stock engine with 160,000 miles. It's actually cams, but I gave it away. Right here, S550 Mustang, that's a 2016 running Eldebrock. That's in here, and we just did some headers, circle deconverter on that car. You're gonna see a video on that probably next week. But that's the kind of random vehicles we have in here. All kinds of things going on all the time. Oh, also on this car here from Maine, Calvin's working on some custom exhaust on it today. QTP cutouts, of course, and he's doing the Borla muffler, I guess, on this. But subscribe, that's how you're gonna stay up to date. Hit notify. I might try coming out here a little bit more often and show you all the random vehicles we're building here at Brenspeed, because there's always something different going on. We can, you know, tailor to old vehicles, new vehicles. We do get a lot of GM stuff coming here. We do. You don't see a lot of videos on that, but we do it. If you have something you want built, just email quote@brenspeed.com. We'd be happy to give you a price on it. And don't forget, everything on our website is free shipping to the 48 states. You just go to brenspeed.com. It's that easy. Call us, 574-594-9559. I'm Brent. Leave a comment if you have questions. I thought, hey, why not walk around the shop? I hope you drank a cold one, or actually two. I'm looking right now. This is going on almost 10 minutes long. So you should be able to put a couple down now in that amount of time. And I'm probably going to go have one right now myself. So thanks for watching. And don't forget, subscribe. Thanks again.